Welcome back, foodies. Today, we have a treat for your taste buds as we dive into the world of shrimp scampi. Get ready to tantalize your senses with this classic dish that combines succulent shrimp, garlic-infused butter, and a burst of tangy lemon. Join me on this culinary adventure as we master the art of shrimp scampi together. Before we get started, let's talk a bit about the origins of shrimp scampi. This mouth-watering dish traces its roots to Italy, where it was traditionally made using langoustines. Over time, shrimp became the popular choice for this recipe, and it has now become a beloved staple of Italian-American cuisine. The first step to creating an exceptional shrimp scampi is selecting the perfect shrimp. Look for fresh, plump shrimp that have a slight translucency and a firm texture. In this segment, we'll explore the various shrimp options available and discuss the best choices for our scampi. Discuss the different types of shrimp available, including fresh, frozen, and wild-caught. Explain the differences between jumbo, large, and medium-sized shrimp. Provide tips on how to clean, devein, and butterfly shrimp for optimal presentation. The heart of any shrimp scampi lies in its flavorful sauce. In this segment, we'll delve into the preparation of a tantalizing scampi sauce that will complement our succulent shrimp perfectly. Gather the ingredients: butter, garlic, lemon juice, white wine, and red pepper flakes. Guide viewers through the step-by-step process of creating the scampi sauce, ensuring they understand the importance of proper seasoning and balance. Provide variations and substitutions for viewers with dietary restrictions or preferences. Cooking the shrimp scampi, 12 minutes. Host: it's time to bring all the elements together and create our shrimp scampi masterpiece. In this segment, we'll cook the shrimp to perfection, incorporating our scampi sauce for a burst of flavor. Demonstrate the proper technique for sautéing shrimp, emphasizing the importance of not overcooking. Showcase how the scampi sauce is added to the pan and allowed to coat the shrimp evenly. Highlight the visual cues to determine when the shrimp are cooked just right. Suggest pairing options for the shrimp scampi, such as pasta, rice, or crusty bread. Garnishing and presentation, 6 minutes. Host: now that we have our beautifully cooked shrimp scampi, it's time to elevate its presentation and add some finishing touches. Discuss garnishing options, such as freshly chopped parsley or basil, lemon zest, or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Provide plating suggestions to enhance the visual appeal of the dish. Offer tips for serving shrimp scampi at a dinner party or family gathering. Taste test and feedback, 5 minutes. Host: it's the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. Join me as we savor the fruits of our labor and share our feedback on this delicious shrimp scampi recipe. Engage with a small group of guests to taste and discuss the dish. Encourage viewers to try the recipe themselves and share their experiences in the comments section.